Sellars' massive jumbo rolls are ideal for extremely messy locations, and they fit onto both our wall mount and floor stand jumbo roll dispensers. Sellars' sturdy freestanding jumbo roll dispenser sets up quickly and easily and allows you to take your jumbo rolls wherever they're needed. Our jumbo rolls give you the flexibility and staying power you need to take on tough jobs. Jumbo rolls offer a larger quantity of large sheets on a single roll. That means less time is spent replacing rolls, which means more time is spent on the job. Our convenient jumbo roll wall mount dispenser arrives ready to mount and offers a smaller footprint for longer-term placement. Sellars' wall-mounted dispenser is perfect for a factory workstation, auto service shop, and other high-traffic, heavy-use permanent locations. Sellars offers a wide variety of jumbo roll grades. We have both Toolbox branded and generic labeled DRC wipers, as well as our exclusive Water Weave series. Water Weave is our solvent-resistant wiper that's strong enough to take on even your toughest jobs. No matter what the job, we have a roll that fits.